Hi friends, this is Vicki from Gramma Vicki Crafts, and it has been a while since I've been on, so I'm on to make just a cute little Easter project for your Easter coming up this Friday actually. So today I have made this cute little gift bag with a window cling and some paint and some Mod Podge and some tissue paper and the little gift that's inside. And I've put the name of the person to whom it's going on the front. So if this is something you'd like to see how to do, stay with me and I'll show you step by step, so follow along. So to make this little Easter project, I have got a package of these 3 gift bags. They're brown from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use one. And I've got some white acrylic paint, and I've got my chunky brushes. I'm going to try using one of those on this. And then I picked up from the Dollarama store here where I live some window clings, and I'm going to try and see what one of these little ducks looks like Mod Podged onto the front of my bag. But first I'm just going to give it a dry brush all over with the white paint and one of my little chippy brushes. So I have my white paint in my little paint tray, and I have my chippy brush and my paper towel. So I'm just going to put a little bit on, and I'm going to offload it onto my paper towel, and then I'm just going to go across and just paint it, swipe it across, just to give it a little bit of paint effect. And so you'll want to keep doing that and offloading it. Now you can put on as much paint as you want on your little bag, but I don't want too much because I do want to put my little duck on here, and it's not going to show anyway. And then before you go over and do the other side, you probably will want to leave it to dry. So if you have time and you just want to let it air dry, that's great. But I brought my blow dryer out because I don't have a lot of time. So I'm just going to blow dry that. And that's dry. So now I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on the back side as I did on the front side, pulling down the part that's folded up. So I have the front and I have the back painted. And so I've opened it up, and now I'm also going to paint in the sides, the 2 sides. So we're going to do that the same. And once again, just as much paint as what you like. So there's the one side, and I'll turn it around and I'll do the other side now. So I have the paint on all the way around and on both sides except the bottom. And I don't need it on the bottom because it's a gift bag and it'll be standing on the bottom. So now I'm going to fold it down, and this is my front, and I'm going to take one of my little window clings here, and I've chosen this cute little this cute little chick, and I'm going to place it on my bag like so. And I'm going to Mod Podge this on. So I'm going to see how this is going to go. I've never done this before, guys, so this is trial and error. So I'm going to put some Mod Podge just on my paper bag and spread it around just where my little chick will be placed. And I think I'm going to let this dry really well before I put my little chick on it. And then I may use some parchment paper and my little iron and press it on and see how that adheres. And then, if that works, I have got some cute little letters, alphabet letters, and I'm going to spell out the little girl's name that my gift is for, because this is going to be a gift bag. And I'm putting in, because she's just little, I'm putting into her gift bag these Easter finger puppets. And I thought that would be cute for her for the bathtub. So I'll let this dry really well, and then I'll be back. So my bag was dry, and I'm laying down my little chick, and I have my iron, and it's turned on, and I have my piece of parchment paper. So I'm going to lay my parchment paper down over top of this, and I'm just going to iron this on, and hopefully with the heat it will make the Mod Podge that's on the bag adhere to my little chick. So let's see. Well, look at that. And here we have our little chick on our bag. So we have made the start of our cute little Easter bag with a little chick. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put her name on with my letters. And I don't have all red for her letters, but I have they're red and green. So I think there's going to be one green one mixed in with all of the red. But that's okay. Her name is Maeve, M-A-E-V-E. So I need to start with the letter E. And these are our stickers, so I hope that they'll stick on nicely. So I'm going to put the E in the middle of my bag. Like so. Bring it a little closer. Whoops. Move my iron out of the way. So there's the E on there. And I'll put the M and the A on this side and the V and the E on this side. So here is my little bag, and I've got her name on there. Now these little stickers, they had a bit of a sticky back, so I just stuck them on the bag. But then I also I just brushed over some Mod Podge on there too, just to make sure that it stays on there, at least until she gets the bag. So now I'm going to put my little gift inside the bag, and I've got some Easter tissue paper, and I'll just stick some of this inside the bag, and then it'll be all ready to go to give to her for her little Easter gift. And that's as simple as that. And isn't it cute? Just a little idea to make your own bag for Easter. So here we have our cute little Easter gift for a cute little girl. So if this is something that has inspired you, I hope you'll give it a try. Turns out pretty cute and you've made it yourself. So please like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember to be kind, and thanks so much for watching. Bye now.